So I want to show you guys what may be in the works. Did have some work done on it today. Had a broken rear glass, had it cut out. So what we're gonna do is, I had a glass cut out and we're gonna leave it until we're ready to get it put back in. But this is gonna need some work. The reason for this video is I wanted to get your take on this car. Should I keep it original? Should I leave the door handles, trim pieces, mirrors, black, or paint them white? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider it. Like and share this video so we can get more thoughts on it. Thanks for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. Use the notification button to be notified on the progress of this car.